Hello there everyone, this is TechBizmo back with another video. Today I have kind of a funny little tutorial for you guys. This is something that you can do in the Linux terminal that I think is pretty funny. And that is making the Linux terminal insult you when you get the password incorrect. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and open up our lovely terminal. And in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. I say a little bit, a whole lot of it. As I said, once you are in the terminal, go ahead and type sudo sudo. And basically, this is how to open the lovely sudoers file. So I'll go ahead and hit enter and type in your password. Okay, now that we are in the sudoers file, you guys can see just a little bit about the sudoers file if you guys would like to. But let's go to the fun stuff. So what you want to do if you want to get the Linux terminal to insult you when you get the password incorrect is go ahead and go down here to where you see defaults. As you can see, there's just a few options right here. Go ahead under the last default, or just pretty much wherever. You could do it in between if you want, but I'm not going to do that. So yeah, go over down to defaults and go ahead and add a default. So I'm just going to hit enter, as you guys can see, and now we can add defaults and go ahead and hit tab. Now once you have done that, the default that you want to set is insults, just like so. And that is pretty much it. So go ahead and save your document and you are ready to go. So go ahead and save the document and exit. And then I'm going to restart the terminal. Alright. Forget about the equal signs. Alright, we're ready to go. So let's just do an example. We'll do sudo apt install. What program do I not have? hblip-gui. And as you can see, like normal, it says sudo password for TechBizmo, or of course your name. Assuming your name isn't TechBizmo. So what we're going to do is type in the password wrong. So we'll just type in something random. And now you can see it is insulting me. Ying tong idle idle I po whatever. Alright, let's type something else in. Your mind just hasn't been the same since the electroshock, has it? So let's just try it again. See if we get any more funny insults. I have been called worse. You type like I drive. Then would you like to let me know how you drive so I can know how badly I type? This mission is too important for me to allow you to jeopardize it. Alright guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys very, very much for watching this video. I hope you found helpful and useful and, you know, just kind of a funny little command to try out if you would like to try that out if you're running Linux currently. Feel free to like this video if you like open source software. Feel free to dislike this video if you dislike open source software. Well, that is it. Goodbye for now.